Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app, and in this video I'm going to clarify some things to every Alipay foreign user. Someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp about Alipay withdraw from balance, this particular button right here. Someone reached out to me about it. They have fund in their Alipay balance and they want to withdraw it, and they are foreign Alipay user. There are things you need to know about withdrawal section for every Alipay foreign user, and I'm going to explain it to you right here in this video. Let me show you how. So I'm going to exit from here now and go ahead and open up my WhatsApp. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp right there so everyone can see the message right here. So here we go. Hello, bro. Hi. Have been watching your video on YouTube. I will want to ask, how does one withdraw from Alipay after funding it? I say, withdraw to where? Kenya, Africa. This is a foreign Alipay account user. And what they want to do here is that they want to withdraw funds. And this is my response right here. It's not possible. So I decided to make this a video so that a lot of people can benefit from my response right here. And you can also share this video to your loved ones that are using Alipay. Let them be aware about this particular issues right here. So this is my response right here. It is not possible. How do you withdraw? How should I do? Then this is my response right there. Look for money exchanger who can give you your country currency and transfer to their Alipay account from your Alipay account. That is the only way a foreign Alipay user can withdraw funds. It's that simple. So in a layman explanation, what I simply mean here is that if you want to withdraw from your Alipay balance right here, so a lot of people are clicking on withdraw right here. So if you click on withdraw right here, then the button will be loaded and it will take you to some interface right here whereby they will ask you to add your debit or credit card, whereby they will ask you to add your debit card for withdrawal right here, and you will get a fee you will get 12.8 yuan bonus after success. So if you are a foreign user, this method here is not going to work for you because you are a foreign user and your bank card is not recognized by Alipay. So if you are a foreign user, the best option for you is that you need to make sure you look for somebody, a money exchanger, that you can easily exchange the yuan for them and they will credit your local currency. So it's that simple. So after they credit your local currency or before, you can transfer what you have in your Alipay balance right here. So you can only transfer from one Alipay account to another Alipay account as a foreign user. You can never withdraw from your balance to a bank card or any options given to you by Alipay as a foreign user. You just have to look for money exchanger whereby you sold your Alipay balance to them and they will give you your local currency. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this about how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.